Hi, I'm Anita from Needles and Hooks, and welcome to episode 14 of Anita's vlog. If you could be so kind to like, share, subscribe, join the Discord, the link to that is in the description below. As you can see, I'm prepping to do a Yarn With Me episode because I didn't quite get one done last week and have it ready to go for Tuesday, April 8th. So I'm going to do that here in a sec. So I want to get the Yarn With Me episode done, and then I'm going to go do my laundry, and then between that, get this taken care of over here so I can bring out my larger table to finish my tutorial project that's right there under the camera, which is going to be a little nerve-wracking because I haven't used this new camera yet over there. So I don't know how the autofocus is going to what do you call it, react. So I'm gonna do this first, and then I will be back after that. Yeah, it's now Thursday, April 10th. Once I got done shooting Monday's part of the vlog, I couldn't get to bed at a decent hour. I'm sitting there trying to edit the last Yarn With Me episode, and I was getting ready to try to make the thumbnail grabbing a still in DaVinci Resolve, but it wouldn't save it. And I'm like, what is going on? So I tried it again, it wouldn't save it. So I was like, oh, maybe it saved it and it's just being stupid. Tried double clicking on it to open it up in my photo program. It wasn't loading. So I'm like, what is going on? So I closed Resolve, reopened it, and it did the same thing again. So I closed it again, waited a minute, and then went back in, tried to grab a still, and then it told me my D drive was full. You would think things would be in place that would pop up saying that your drives are getting ready to be full. That wasn't the case. So I had to spend an extreme amount of time moving stuff from my D drive over to my external drive, just so I could have space to finish the dang video. And well, first it was like, it wouldn't, I rendered the video out and I thought everything was fine. So I was like double checking it, and I went to drag it back into Resolve, and then it kept going media offline towards the last half of it. I'm like, what is going on? That's when I found out my drive was full. So I moved some stuff over that night just so I could have enough space to finish that video and upload it. And then the next day, I moved some more stuff over to my external hard drive to free up even more space. So it's just like, this goes to show you that if you make a lot of content and then you really need to spend some time moving things ever so often. I usually was waiting until like June to start moving things over. I need to start doing that a lot sooner because my videos are anywhere between 20 minutes to an hour or more, depending on what video it is. So I'm just like, so I didn't sleep well and went to work. I think I got maybe 5 hours, and that's pushing it, of sleep Monday into Tuesday. And then I'm just like, went to work, got home, and I was just like, I'm not doing anything. So I just sat here, did nothing, started watching Scrubs on Hulu, and then I was up till like 11:30 that night. Oh, just one more episode. Just one more episode. I just need one more episode. I gotta stop doing that. So right now, I'm in the middle of editing the tutorial video for the project that's right there. It's done. I am now down to officially 10 whips. A couple of them are long term. Oh, yeah. And my car project right now is the corner to corner 4-panel blanket that I was going to be for the car. So I am running out of scrap yarn for that. I'm almost done with the first panel. I should be finished with that tomorrow on my first break at work. And then I'll start on the second panel, but I know I'm going to run out of yarn quickly because that ball is getting small. And then that's going to have to get set aside until I have more scrap yarn to finish the double knit blanket that's buried under over here. So So it's been at least another day or two after the last section, and this one's going to be not as long as some of the other ones are. I did finish my panel for my car blanket. Grab it, pick it up, take it out of my bag, because this needs to get put away somewhere. As long as I don't lose stuff out of my bag right here. Here's one of the panels. And there'll be I started on a second one, but it is not very far along. I have to dig that out of here because I need to put this stuff in a container and put it away until I actually have more yarn. So this is as far as I got with this right here. So it's got a long ways to go, and I need to finish my double knit blanket before I can make scrap cakes out of my leftovers. And some of those I'm just going to set aside. I don't want to put them in there because I have ideas for other projects to use with that. So this is the start. This is the hook. It's an eye hook, but it's 5.25 millimeters. I do not know why in the kit, the set that I bought, the boy set, the ergonomic hooks that I bought, that it did not include an I9 5.5 millimeter hook, nor did it have a J10 6 millimeter hook. They were less millimeters than what I'm used to having, which is why I needed to buy the clovers I can't seem to find at the moment on my desk. Oh, yeah, I had to buy one I9 and one J10 in the clover hooks. So that's really all I have for this vlog this week. Short, sweet, simple, to the point, tiny, minuscule. I did have a section where I talked about my double knit blanket, but I'm going to save that until the blanket is complete. So that's all I have for now, and I want to say hi to all 67 of my subscribers. Love you guys. Pretty please like, share, subscribe, join the Discord. The link to that is in the description below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.